Okay, I'm so excited. I'm going to be vlogging for the next 30 days and we'll see how we feel about it. I started my day with some breakfast. This is a Sprout Society meal. They saved my life. Last week I was in Vancouver and I went to Deciem. They sell The Ordinary and I got this serum foundation for $8, you guys. It was such a good deal. I'm just having a little errands and work day, so didn't really do much to get ready. Opted not to do my hair. Then I sat down to do some work and my computer didn't start, so I had to like hard reboot it. It might be because I have 100 tabs open at one time, not sure. Opened some packages. I got this new hat and I really love it. And then Charlie was tired from opening the packages, so he had a little nap while I took some client calls in the living room, and then we went for our walk. They are building a new house next door to us, and look at this. There's like a big drop off, kind of scary. And this is us on our walk. We went to the dog park. It's always so much fun. And then I made a little smoothie when I got home. I have to weigh everything because I track my food. And I had my custom protein from Gainful. Then I headed to my workout, got my ass kicked. And then I had to go get some groceries, came home and unpacked. This is my favorite gluten-free pasta. This is so satisfying to me. I put it in this little container. And then I had some protein pancakes from my post-workout meal. And I think that's all for me today. See you tomorrow.